Welcome to Station 3, Zero and Undefined Slope. We're first off going to look at a problem that has a zero slope. So if I'm using y equals mx plus b slope-intercept form, that means I've got one with a zero in the x spot. And we don't write zeros in math, so that part is unnecessary. So we get an equation that just simply looks like this, where the part with the x is completely missing. That would be one with a zero slope. An example would look like this, y equal to 2. Where 2 itself is the y-intercept, so I would start by putting a dot on the graph at 2. My slope, which is not there, is 0. A zero slope, as you all know, is flat, horizontal, side to side. Some things you could check to see if that is the correct graph is look at the actual ordered pairs for these points. That first point we have listed there has an ordered pair of 0, 2, where, of course, the y is 2. If I picked another location on that line, like say over here, that location would be at -4, 2, and again the key coming back to this is that y is 2. If I pick this spot over here on the line that has the coordinates 5, 2, with once again the key being that y is 2. Since their x is missing completely, it does not matter what value x has in this problem. Okay, let's turn it around and look at the other side. Let's look at one that has undefined slope, and we can't really write undefined times x plus b. That doesn't work. That's not making any sense. So what ends up happening with this particular equation, because it's being undefined, is it's not even in slope-intercept form at all. So it does not follow that formula. It looks a little different. It just simply looks like x equals some number. We'll just call that number a. It doesn't really matter what it is. This is just what an undefined equation happens to look like. So an example could be x equal to 2. And since we know undefined slope is vertical, and we now have the x-intercept, since we're solved for x, this is going to be a vertical line up and down through x is 2. Check the ordered pairs. This first ordered pair I've listed here is at 2, 0. The key is the only thing that has to matter is that x is 0. If I pick another spot on this particular line, say here, that has a coordinates 2, 4, and again, the only thing that matters back to here is that x equals 2. And if I check the spot down here, say 2, -3, once again I have that same commonality that x equals 2 on every spot on that line. So even though these look a little weird, they're actually pretty easy to draw. Good luck. Thank you.